Hindi, kasama talaga siya. Kasama talaga siya sa pelikula. Pero hindi ko narinig kung cut o hindi.
Wow.
Kami naman, Kim, sumusunod lang kami sa instructions ng aming director at sa aming script.
Si Sari kasi yun.
Totoo bang kinat na tuloy-tuloy pa rin kayo?
Uy, hindi.
Celebrities in the Philippines. You know, they said, sabi nila, they're gonna see it again and again and again. That's how good we are.
Ayun na, ang dami ng love.
Alright, Kim, Pao. Kumusta? How was your LA trip so far this time?
Well, we just arrived, so wala pa lang masabi. But, ayun, kakarating lang namin. We went straight here for your screening. So thank you for your time, for coming out. I'm sure a lot of you have things to do, but thank you for coming to the cinemas to watch it. And to watch your movie.
How do you feel with all these people loving what you guys just made?
I
know you guys are tired, huh?
Kanina umaga, or see all of you today. Maraming salamat talaga for coming here and sa pagnood ng movie. Ayan, nakakatawa kasi first time ipalabas ng movie ko sa ibang bansa. So next year. Thank you very much. Nag-ready talaga ako sa aking Texas outfit.
Hindi mo naman ako sinabihan na cowboy ha.
Alright, so we have some questions that our lovely fans have put together for you guys. And then so what we're gonna do is we're going to right? They're gonna pick. And to see whose question.
Ay, wow.
Yes,
Meron pa naman
taken
Q&A.
out.
I love your little bunny bag.
Yeah, you got it!
I love it. Papunta na to sa convention ng
Sales ng little ba?
Thank you kaayo.
Ano mo, Bisaya din.
Dito. Wala, I love it. Ay, oh. Bongga. Ay, sa ano? Asam. Yes. Kayo kayo nag-review sa amin. Ay, okay. Utang na loob ko wala yung